So my name's Matt the Pizza. We're at Eastwood today and we're just laying some color on my Factory 5 kit car. So when you get the kit, it comes very unfinished, fresh out of the mold and gel coat. So Brent put a lot of time in filling out the seams, getting the body straight, filling any gaps there were. He has probably 300 hours, into the car. It's come out to be the straightest car I've ever seen. So it's going to be a quasi, traditional paint job with that kind of iconic blue, but with a black pearl stripe to it. What's really nice about working with Eastwood is they just came out with an OEM paint line. You can pick a color of any car and they can mix it up for you. I have my dad here with me today. He's been a big involvement in this car. He's built a few Cobras in his lifetime, so it's been very easy and organic for him to kind of coach me through certain mechanical things, body things. It's nice to just kind of finish the build out together like this. I have a son that's involved in the build too. He's a 4-year-old, his name's Archer. And he's been there pretty much every step of the way with us in the garage on the weekends, banging on stuff. I have pictures of him strapped in the driver's seat. It's been a good experience to have him involved too. So yeah, this was my first build with my dad, and so I'd hope that this is where it kind of starts for him. He gains that passion and him and I can build something together down the road.